ready for an epic adventure into the world of the Atlantic Puffin? Let's dive into 3 super fun activities that will have you falling in love with these cute and quirky creatures. Activity 1. Where in the world is the Atlantic Puffin? Let's start with some geography fun. Discover the fascinating locations where these adorable puffins call home, Iceland and Europe. Activity 2. Bird Vision Investigation, Art Edition. It's time to uncover the mysteries of the puffin's vision. Get your art skills ready as we learn about bird eye anatomy and draw our very own puffins. Express your creativity and bring these charming birds to life on paper. Activity 3. Playmat Fun and Puffin Storytelling. Get those imaginative gears turning as we set the stage with Playmat Fun scenes featuring our puffin friends. Create your own puffin adventure and write a story that takes you on a journey through the vast ocean and the sky above. Let your imagination soar high. So are you ready for a puffin-tastic time? Let's explore the world, sharpen our artistic talents, and unleash our creativity with the cutest bird of the month. I can't wait to see your fantastic creations. Let the puffin fun begin.